everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the July Fashionista VB kit. So let's get started. So first up we have the inventory card, which has just a list of everything that's included with your VB kit. And then I love that the back side has this really pretty print, so you can also include it inside of your planners. I love having a double use for things like that. And the first product I have out of the kit is this notepad, and it is so simple and yet still very chic. It's got a very faint gray marble background, and then the notes and all of the lines are foiled with gold. Oh, that is so pretty, and you get plenty of sheets. And let's see, this is, okay, none of it is sticky at all, so this is just a regular notepad. You could take all of these out and punch them to fit in your planners. I mean, this is just so pretty. And next up this month we have another set of transparent page flags. I'm hoping that these are a kit staple going forward because I really love these. They are so pretty. But whenever you get these, make sure you check on the back because there is almost always a protective film that you need to peel off the card, and that just protects it from getting scratched in transit. And I did pull out the last 2 months VB Kit's page flags just as a little comparison. So here we have Serenity, La Isla, and then Fashionista. And as you can see, these two, La Isla and Fashionista, the length of the page flags is just a little bit shorter than that of the Serenity Kit page flags. And I think that was just to help them fit inside of the planner boxes a little bit better. So yeah, let's do a little close-up here of all of the patterns. You've got your leopard print, a black marble, some abstract lines, and dots for the bottom 3. And of course your card is beautifully foiled with gold in a leopard print. But yeah, I just wanted to show a little bit of comparison in case you had these past 2 kits and were curious about how they look together. We also have some very stylish pin loops this month, a kind of beigey nude with a heart engraved in there, and then this really nice, what is that, like a tortoise croc shell pattern on the black one. Very, very pretty. And then these are adhesive on the back, so all you need to do is peel off this backing paper, and then you can stick it on the side of your planner covers or your dashboards, wherever you want really. And then this side right here opens up to fit your VB pins or any other pins you want to slide in there. Next up, we have this 2-pack of magnetic paper clips. We get a kind of lilac-y with a leopard print and then the black marble, and they are very shiny, and they have the VB logo on both sides. And these are great for holding your papers together, whether it's your planner pages or sticker pages or anything like that. So just as an example, I wanted to test it out, so I grabbed a few of my recent Tiffy Tuesday and VB sticker sheet orders, and it holds it together really nicely. There's no slipping or anything, and just wanted to show off how it looks in use. So this is one of those items that I was really excited about for the Fashionista VB kit, so I'm going to do a close-up of this. This is the transparent stickers and card pack. Okay, so I brought this out so we could get just a little bit of a close-up. So first up we have the transparent bar stickers, and these are 2 separate bars here, not one long one if you can't see the cut lines. And then we've got 2 sheets of transparent shape stickers, and I love this color palette that she went with. To me, it's the perfect neutrals because pink is always a neutral in my book. And then we've got the transparent icon stickers, and these look like the basic circle stickers that are in every VB kit except teeny tiny sized. And then we've got the transparent corner stickers, and I love that there are 2 sizes available, so if you want to make a big statement corner, or if you just want to mark something tiny in the corner of like your monthly layout for bills due or something like that, great options there. And then we've got the transparent word stickers, which features a lot of the commonly used planner phrases. And then the last one of the transparent stickers is the transparent washi strips. These are so pretty, and again, it is 2 separate bars with a line right here through the middle, so perfect little washi sizes. And there were also 4 different transparent cards, which are really on trend right now. They're perfect for clipping onto dashboards or sliding into planner pockets. So this first one, we've got the leopard print with It's Called Style. And then we've got a horizontal one that says Inspired by Simplicity. And then another vertical one with this really pretty flower bouquet. Very simple. And then this one is probably my favorite one because, as y'all know, I love a good flat lay, and this is definitely that. So pretty. All right, I zoomed it back out so I could show the adhesive corner pockets next. So this one comes with a pack of 3 in 3 different sizes. So we'll start off with the tiny size, which has just a very simple black border and Planner Pretties foiled at the bottom. And then we've got the medium-sized one that has the leopard print with a few foiled spots. And then the last is the large, and it's got a really nice black marble print with a foiled flower on the side. And these is super simple. You just peel off this backing. This whole part is sticky back here, so you can put it on the inside of your planner covers, use it on dashboards to make just a really nice pocket or page marker. Lots of options for these depending on your planner size and what you need it for. This was something that I was so excited to see in the kit reveal photo that Tiffany posted on Shop VillaBeauTIFFul Instagram. I mean, how pretty is this pouch? It's clear with a black border, or what is this, trim? And it comes with a tissue inside. I mean, so pretty to store all your things, whether that's your planner things, your makeup things, whatever it is you want to store in here. A nice little VB logo on the front in gold foil and snap closure. Next up, we're going to take a look at this month's washi set, which comes with 1 skinny and 1 standard size roll of washi tape. So let's roll them out and take a look. So first up, we have the standard size roll, which is this houndstooth in gold foiling, and this is one of those that will work with just about everything, every style, every season. It's just a very classic pattern. And for the skinny size roll, we have the pattern of the summer, pretty much, the leopard print, all done in gold foiling. This will be beautiful either by itself or layered on as a statement piece onto other deco or other washi tapes. I'm really excited to use this in my planner spreads and projects. It's just so pretty. And of course, we have to do a flip through of this month's VBKit sticker book, but I'm going to start off with this Deco sheet because simply stunning. That is the only words I can think of for this. The foiling is impeccable. You have to get a good foil wiggle in there to be able to appreciate the beauty of this. I love the VB pens and the shopping bags and this book stack down at the bottom, but I don't even want to touch a single sticker off of here. I just want to slide it into my planner on a dashboard or into the pockets as planner deco because, yeah, this is amazingly designed, so beautiful. And then for the VBKit sticker book, I mean, okay, so let's cover the basics real quick. Up here you have the kit title and the kit date, so you can organize it like that, especially if you got one of the Shine Bright VBKit sticker albums to slide these right in. On the back you've got the overview that contains all of the pages. So let's get right to it. We will bend this back and start with a close-up look at all of the full boxes. Okay, favorite on the top row is going to be this one. I just love this illustration, of course the leopard print, beautiful. And my favorite on the second row, one of these two, maybe this one. Yeah, I like this one, but I love this illustration. And then on the bottom, I just really like this one, but they're all so gorgeous. There's like so many favorites on this kit, the colors, the style, the aesthetic, everything. So then we've got your page of circle icons and your cancel, tomorrow, another day, all the labels, some pay bill stickers, and more circles down at the bottom, all foiled. And then another page of full boxes. You got plenty of space. You got a tracker over here, plenty of space to write notes and lists and quotes, clip boxes, and then 3 quarter boxes down at the bottom. And they all have some kind of foiling on them. And then one of my favorite pages, a full sheet of half boxes. You literally can never have too many half boxes. And I love that even after I finish using this kit for one spread, I have plenty to use with another spread. They coordinate so well together. Oh, let me give just a little close-up of those two so you can see like the foil on the top is the bows, then the border, hearts, and then the borders for the bottom 3 rows. And oh, also did want to touch on this. She does have a mix of rounded boxes and then square boxes. So you have kind of a choice and some options depending on what your style is. And then we've got a page of headers and labels, and then some scallops and scallop boxes down here. And then a full sheet of Deco because the mini sheet was not enough. So let's get a nice close-up on these. Those flat lays, oh, gorgeous. And that coffee cup too, I love that. And then we've got flags and checklist and banners. And then we've got, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so we've got 2 sets of date covers. Honestly, I don't know which one is my favorite. I love both of those. And then you've got your tabs here, perfect for adding onto the side of your layouts if you want to mark your weeks, or page markers or dividers. Got a couple of quote bubbles down here and arrows. Oh my God, this is new. Oh, I love this. Okay, so we've got like some double box type situations here. Goal streams, ideas. Oh wow, oh wow. This week, oh, for like priorities and goals. And then hexagons over here. Y'all, this is so good. She went and surprised me on this one. Love that. Okay, so that replaced the mini kit this week. See, I didn't even notice that when I was showing the overview. Okay, so this one is just miscellaneous stickers on the back. See, pay attention, folks. That's what we got to do. This is, okay, I think this may have just taken the place of my favorite VBKit ever. It was VB Studio. This one may have just taken over. I don't know what it is about this one, y'all. It's just beautiful. But of course, I'm going to say that again next month too, so we'll see. Y'all, I don't know what to say about this one. I mean, think of all the pretty words. You've got fabulous, stunning, and gorgeous. All of those words. That's what this pin is. I don't have words for this one. I mean, look at the black matte for the barrels, and then the gold hardware, and then crystals are a mix of clear and blush pink. This is VBPen perfection. I don't know, y'all. I think this is top 3 VBPen. It's so good. And I never do this. I always forget. I mean to do it every time, but I know some people have asked about VBPen Test before. Maybe they haven't bought one yet. They see how pretty they are, but they don't want to make the splurge without knowing how they write. So one thing I do want to point out is that whenever you first open the VBPens, they have a little like red rubber tip on the top that you have to take off of it. Make sure you take it completely off. This is a problem that I ran into a lot when I first started using them. I wouldn't notice it. I'd take the big part off and then there'd be a little piece and then it would skip constantly. So make sure that you remove all of it. So this is just a quick, and this is one of the pages that I tested earlier just to show the stickiness. So not too worried about this one, but we'll just do some loop-de-loos here. So, I mean, there you go. And they do have a page on the website, the VBPen 101, that will tell you everything you need to know about VBPens. And if you're curious about these, the extras, if there are any left over after all the pre-orders are filled, those are listed with the monthly VBPen releases. They're not listed with the kit extras, except if you get a full kit. Okay, so just make sure that you pay attention to that. I don't want anyone to miss out on these beautiful items just because they weren't aware. So check out the VBPen 101 page and the VBKit 101 page. Very helpful information on both of those. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have this month's paper pack. So I am going to flip through all of these. So if you've been around for a while, you know that you have 2 options during the monthly pre-orders. On the 20th, you can either get the basic kit or the basic kit plus the paper pack add-on. And that means that you will get everything that's included with the basic kit, but you will also get 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch decorative paper. They are double-sided with patterns that perfectly coordinate to the VBKit. That is the only difference between the 2 listings, is the paper. Okay, so if you like to do paper crafts, if you like to make your own dividers or covers or page markers or dashboards, anything like that, then this is a good option for you. It also comes with 2 specialty papers. This month we got 2 vellums. Here's the second one of those. But if you pre-order a kit, you also get digital, so you can print out your own papers. So if it's a budgetary issue, you can do that. I know some people don't have access to a printer. You can take them to like a Office Depot, Office Max, I think, Staples, places like that, to have them printed out for you. And if you're at home, you can get your own cardstock, your own vellum, things like that. And we have plenty of tutorials on the VB blog under Planner Inspiration section to show different ways to use the paper packs. So lots of options for you either way. I love these two patterns probably the most. No, these two. I don't know, I can't decide. This is just such a good kit. I love when it's so hard to pick out a favorite. That's when you know it's an amazing kit. So now let's take a look at the digitals. Every month, whenever your pre-ordered VB kit is marked as shipped, as soon as you get that shipping confirmation, shortly after you'll get an email saying that your digitals are available for download. So then you'll get all of your clip arts, your patterns, and a terms of use document, which is very important to review. You want to make sure that you're following those. All the VB links can be found in the description below, so you can check out the kit info page, the Facebook group, the shop, the design team blog, all of that and more. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or I'd love to know what your favorite part of this month's VB kit was. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.